So hello guys. We found a new member and she is special. Would you know what it is? Is Cutie's Pink Girl. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'm with him right now.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
oh let's go. Oh, I don't want animation, so I will pick this one.
Ay, sakit
Okay lang yan. I cannot die, bro. Why I cannot die? Okay, whatever. Oh, bro. Hey. Nah, I mixed. No, I just skip. This okay.
Hello guys, for today's we are in...
Wait, I already saved it. I already saved it. I already said it, bro. Shit.
I'm not cheap. Like...
Wait.
Haha.
I forgot. Okay, I'm back.
Ay, hindi ko ano.
This is cute. I want this one.
B, nagre-red tayo, B.
Oh,
Tingnan
sige.
mo, B, oh.
Kaya nga nag-read tayo.
So, don't touch it.
I'm cute. I will pick this hair. Oh, I'm rainbow girl.
Oh!
I'm a rainbow girl.
I don't care.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not a shut the fuck up.
She were recording.
Like you.
Oh, this is mine. This is mine.
Where are you, bro? You're a brat, right?
You're
I'm
the brat.
joking. I am joking. I will gonna stick my foot.
Bye-bye. I'm first. Goodbye. I'm going first.
Wait for me.
Oh, my bush chat just appeared.
Wait for me.
Sige.
If you don't wait for me, I will report you.
I will pick this one.
Oh, you look a brat.
Oh, I already pick it.
One, two. Ow!
Why do you don't have a shirt?
I don't care.
Why don't you have a shirt? Ah! Good thing you survived.
Okay, then put right here. Oh.
Oh.
Where is it? This one? I'm saved na to.
So, sheepel. Let's go.
You
What?
say.
What?
You say I'm a brat.
You are the one.
You.
You.
Super
I want the next tower.
Sige, next tower tayo, guys.
Oh, sige, bye-bye. So,
Ikaw na
Cutie's
lang.
Pink. Oh, Cutie's Pink found the game. Cutie's
Sige.
Pink found the girl.
Yeah.
Cutie's Pink girl found the game. So you should probably join it. It's loading. Wait. My piece! My piece! Okay, stop recording!
No.
Stop recording!
I don't care. Bye-bye. Ow!
Stop! You cannot catch me! Oh. Okay. Ouch! Stop slapping me.
It's not like... Oh, I know.
Sorry. My battle legendary. I dish it, colonize it.
Ouch.
I brought inside my heart. You didn't know this? Hey, you didn't know this! You didn't know this! There's a ladder here in the whole time!
I don't care for you.
You just literally copy me. Oh, this is not... This is the hardest tower I ever! This is the hardest tower. I know it. Probably an hacker. It's a probably... So, sorry. What?
Alis muna kami ha.
Okay.
Mag-withdraw lang kami sa
Okay. 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 Okay.
Let's go. Tara na, punta
sige
na
na.
tayo sa ano.
I got 2,005 coins! Yay! What could I buy? This one? Yay! I bought something that you don't like. Oh, wow! No, no, no! Give me one.
Okay.
Bro, what happened to me?
Di ba daw dadating ang box ni Papa mo?
What happened to me, bro? I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Wait. Wait. Blech.
Mababang ba sa buwas?
Okay. Sure.
Gigil ka? Papakalbo kita.
I died him. I just killed him.
Baka makapagod.
Wait, is that you?
Dami mo ano
Hey, where are you? Whoa. Wait, there's a secret.
Mabakal na daw short.
Eh, saan ka?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Kala mo ah. Oh! No! Bitch! Okay, someone know it. No one go here before. No one goes here before. Entry? Wait! Stop! Ah! Huh? Huh? Stop! 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 I'm just a new. I'm a newbie. I will punch you in my face if you can't. I get the bomb. Classic
Mas
bomb.
easy to kaysa sa
Mom, we know ka. Mama, get me mega. I get a bomb. You give it. I just give it a bomb.
I need some.
Look, I give him the bomb. I give him the bomb. How the heck did they get?
10, 9, 8,
It's 19.
7, 6, 5,
I disconnect.
4, 3, 2.
I lost my voice chat, bro. Oh, good thing, buddy. Good
Oh,
thing.
what the fuck?
Thinking. Good thinking. I actually killed you. If I actually killed you, you will cry like your mommy. That's why. That's why don't bully people. You want that circuit over here, bro? Wait, is everyone dumb to get it? Did you get the coin?
Oh.
Did you get the coin?
Nagay ko sa ano, Blizzard, ina mo ng niliro.
Wow! Bleh.
Ginagawa ko lang yun.
Chocolate? Did I just get something special? Some...
Kobe, try mo ilagay sa ilong mo.
Okay, shut up.
Ha? Masakit yan.
Masakit talaga yun. You will cry like your mommy if you die.
Like that?
Whoa! I just saw your boyfriend. I just saw your boyfriend.
Let's see.
I just saw your boyfriend. I just saw your boyfriend. I saw your boyfriend.
Look at me, bro. I'm
Wow!
paunahan tayo pumunta sa Saso.
No.
Tignan mo naman yung gamit ko. Ang bilis ko.
Saan yun? Ah, okay.
Binili ko ang pinag-ipunan ko.
Except, I got this boiling coil. I got this thing and it's very epic. You cannot pass this through because... Oh! Looks like someone is good at this.
Ha!
Ah! Did you die? like someone is missing. Someone missing. And there's a troll. B.
Uy, no. Do not. Uy, Ali, maghintay ka.
Because you said it's a race.
No, I said not race.
You said it.
No.
You said it.
No.
No. Yes. Yes.
No.
Did I just get the gravity coil? Gravity coil?
Don't care.
Gravity coil?
I don't care.
Gravity coil?
I don't care.
Gravity coil?
Don't care.
Gravity coil. Wait, what's that? Oh, I just get the teleport one. What's that mean? What does it mean? I just love 15 peoples. I think I will try. Ayun!
Okay, we need to leave now.
Okay, scary
Eh, di
shawarma.
mag-ano tayo Tayo lang? Eh, di mag-ano tayo? Anong tawag na to?
Scary
Mag-invite
shawarma.
tayo ng iba para hindi ka matakot. Huwag ka naman matakot.
Pag may ano sa taas, ano?
Pag meron sa taas, huwag ka lang titingin, okay?
Titingin lang ako sa baba. Ti. Quick, everyone joined. Everyone joined. We'll be scared.
Leave tayo, leave. Doon. Okay na ba?
Okay, I'm going to leave now. I'm scared.
No!
Okay, I'm joined.
Do not scared.
Okay.
Ngayon, wala naman.
Wait, is that McDonald's? It's McDonald's!
Hala ka, chika, Be, alis ka dyan, Be. Bakit? Hoy, te, wala ako dyan.
Takot.
Nasaan ka?
Ayun na nga, nakita kita!
Hintay natin to.
AFK siya! AFK!
Yes.
Tara. 2 players na lang, ano?
Natakot to kasi. Huwag ka muna.
Ano to? Ano to? Ano yan? Bagong creature?
Punta na.
Anong decide mode? Huh?
Nandiyan ka na yan. Uy! Leave tayo, leave. Ito naman. Ba't ayaw kasi naman nandiyan? Pag may, dito tayo, dito. Oh.
Bilis!
Uy, nandito na talaga ako. Yan, lumilib na. Ayan.
Yan. Oh, yes! Uy, this so done. Okay.
Pwede tayong sigawan niya yun.
Hey! You're the scariest one! Shut up.
Animals. Animals.
Ano malis? Ano malis dapat?
Ang bagal naman nito. Tatakbo na lang ako. Ayun na.
Te! Bilis!
Ayaw ko na.
Te! Te! Gusto mo na. Takot ano.
Ilan na lang tayo?
Night shift at Shawarma
Uy, dalawa na
Kiosk.
lang tayo.
Let's start the basics.
Close mo na.
Step 1. Turn on
Te, ayoko na! Iba na lang tayo.
Sige, mag-parkour na. Nakakatakot na parkour.
Ayoko na.
Jump scared.
I'm scared.
What is...
Monkey bomb tag! Paborito ko. Pwede ka mag-swing.
Gugugaga na.
Sige.
Gugugaga! 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 Yun nagkanta ka first time.
Gugu
Nakalungkod
gaga.
pala.
Gugu gaga.
So now we need to baby boys. Of course, this is Gugu Gaga.
Wait! Your internet. But mine is not. Oh, Tijima! I want to
We
read
need
to
to
my
catch the baby. Of course, Google Gaga is a baby. So now, let's go.
Why do I block?
Wait for me, huh?
Okay, I will be easy.
Me too, I will be easy.
Okay, let's go.
Wait for me.
Okay, you're here.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, no, hit me. Hey, don't leave me. Mama, don't leave me. Hey, thank you. Punyagi ko ang nanay ko.
Okay.
Mama, I'm
Don't care for
scared.
you.
I hate you.
Oh, what you say? You are a brat.
You're the bratis.
I said the baby boy's right.
You're the baby brat.
I'm your mother na, okay?
No.
Kunwari daw, anak mo na daw ako, no?
No!
Eh, di magkapatid.
Ati.
Kapatid.
Bisan mo.
Just wait for me.
Bisan mo. Pag talaga ako nakita dito.
Oh! The fuck?
Bisan mo.
Oh,
Pag
guys.
talaga ako nakita dito. Pag talaga nakita ako ni Gugu.
Gaga.
Gugu, gaga, penguilililili.
Ayoko na. Ikaw na lang nga. Ako na lang nga. Tamad mo.
Tamad ka din. Ikaw yung matamadan.
Hindi ako tamad.
You cannot catch me because you're too fat that your mama don't love you. No, I mean Gugu Gaga is the fattest and not even her mama. You cannot catch me, bitch.
Oh! What the fuck?
Just quick!
Look at this one. What is this?
What? What the? Where are you?
I don't like.
Okay. Come on. Quick.
I don't like. Wait, I will be reading now. And I will gonna be join in the group. Let's see. I'm adorable.
Oh, sorry.
Brat.
You are the brat. Oh, okay. That's
99.
oh, okay. Sige, 99.
Let's go. Join me.
I am not good at that. I'm not good at it.
I am
ano
good.
tayo?
I am
5.
I am
sure.
4. Yes, I am 4. I am throwing this hero. Oh, what I did? So let's go.
Marilla, let's go here. I think 5 will be enough. Please, someone joined.
Leave.
join.
Exit.
Bye.
This one. Oh, exit.
No.
So we need to put 5, right? No, dito kayo.
Dito tayo.
Dito.
Ay, dito, bilis.
Saan?
Dito. That was close. Someone leave because of you. Tara, wala lang tayo.
Oy! Exit!
Wow! Bilis! Bilis naman dapat!
This one, tatluan! Bilis!
Ay, oh.
Wala pa nga eh. Now we're gonna power up. So now, why you want me? Move me! Yeah. Okay. You have a brat?
No.
You have your brain is a brat.
No! Look at this potato. It's so cute. No! Huh? What the actual fuck?
Dito tayo. Ba't
Ay,
tayo
great
pumapasok?
time. Chonga no ke iniwa. Tenka donka sura. Tenka donka ni chana.
Tatlo na tayo.
Tutuda po ni kuno.
Exit!
Kuno di na.
This one.
This one? It's
5.
Five. Huh? Huh? Titi! Bilis! Oh! Bilis! Titi! No, someone leave because of you. Tara, dalawa na lang.
Okay.
Okay?
I am good. I am starting. I need
Oh, someone join us! Someone join us and leave! Shut up! Shut up! Okay, shut that. We're not playing! It's starting!
No, I'm looking for your breath.
What are you eating?
Don't shout at me. Let's go. Let's.
And she just
Huwag
leave.
natin papakita sa kanya na hindi tayo magaling dito, ah.
Te, nag-leave siya.
Ang lag ko, lag ko.
Di naman malaki. So, it's a double 3. Te, I'm scared already.
Don't scared. I'm here.
And you have the mga paka.
I'm not pakalag.
You're the mga paka.
Uy, ikaw. Bilisan mo, punuin mo na yun. Baka masapak pa. Uy, i-plant mo nga itong mga trees para may tumubo pang. Ikaw talaga. Ano na naman ibinild mo dyan? Ah, ano na naman yan? Masasampal ka eh.
Sorry.
Tumulong ka na lang nga. Baka masapak kita.
Ikaw ang sapakin ko.
Talaga ba?
Talaga ba? Sure me. Ellie.
Sige, sabihin mo.
Ayun mo.
Level 2 na yan, ha? Uy, kailangan natin ma-level 6 para wala naman tayong intindihin naman. Uy, ikaw sa campfire, ako sa dun sa, no?
What is this? On cover? What is a chest? We have to build the map! I need a good sack.
I don't care.
Wait, I found the chest! Malakita akong chest! Dito!
Saan? Saan ka ba?
Dito sa tent. Kailangan nga natin ng map.
Uy, magputol ka na.
What is this?
Sige, kunin mo lang yun, makuha mo dyan kasi kailangan mo rin yun. Yan, kunin mo yung electric panel.
Para may hangin tayo.
Hindi, sana yan, giri yan. Ano yung electric 1,000? Kain mo, ulol.
Ikaw yun? Tara. Don't kill the bunnies.
Ayaw mo nun, may food tayo?
What is this? Ammo! Yes, take it. And there's another chest. I found another chest, bro.
Okay.
Oh, a barrel.
Uy, kunin mo itong mga ganito. Alam mo bang
That's mine.
ilagay mo yan sa campfire, ha?
Nothing. There's nothing more. Come on, let's go build the map.
So, let's go back to the campfire. Uy, lagay mo naman yung soil sa para mag-reach tayo ng level more.
Come on.
Uy, maubos na tong campfire natin.
Andito yun.
Yung coal. Ilagay mo na dito.
Wow.
Kahit gabi, ka pa rin kasi.
Ba't may carrot dito? Drag.
Kapag may nakita kang food, pulutin mo kasi pinapatay ko mga bana para magpagkain.
What is this? A
Uy,
crafting
wag ka
bench?
muna.
Oh, I need a map.
You need the map. Oo, map.
Okay, I'm going to save the first guide. Guide is there. It's
Save
over
mo, ikaw
here.
na lang ha.
Oh. Tsaka may nag-away pa sa akin.
Pag ikaw,
Natalo.
hmm,
Sasampalin.
kita.
Wait lang, pupunta lang ako dito. Baka may cheese!
Oh, may chest dyan, may chest dyan.
Pumunta ka dito?
Yes. Meron talaga dyan.
Oh, baka natin. Oh, flashlight. Okay lang yan?
Oh, pagkuha mo ako ng flashlight kasi kailangan rin yung flashlight.
Wala na akong revolver agad.
Wait lang, puntahan kita dyan, puntahan kita.
Celebration, the bosses relation.
Uy, wait lang, nandiyan ako.
Kana na.
Babe, nandito ako sa baba. Tara, babe. Baba ka, babe. Kunin mo yung sword mo.
Tulungan mo ko dito.
Pumunta ka nga sa baba. Oh.
Tsaka naman. Anong key?
Ako na yung sa food. Sige, bala ka na dyan. Bala ka na dyan. Pumunta dyan.
Walang chest. Nasa loob yung chest. Oh, nasa loob nga. Ano yun? Oo. Oh, good sack. Thank you.
Meron na ako na yun. Basta dyan.
Ayok yung kid. Tara na.
Wait lang, tayo mo naman ako. Parang hindi ka tinulungan ah. Bandage!
Wag mo.
Bandage. Iwan ko lang to doon para meron ka ano. Meron na tayong food. Uy, tumingin Uy, kumuha ka naman ng ano. Kumuha ka naman
Wait
ng
lang, nag-ano nga eh. Explore nga ni.
Huwag
Explore.
ka mag-explore. Yung campfire natin nawawala na. Nawawala na. Balik na ako sa doon ah. Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Sige na nga, alis na nga ako. Ay, hindi.
Pumunta ka na dito. Night is approaching na. Bahala ka dyan.
Kaya lang yan, may flashlight ako.
Mawawalan din.
Kaya nga, huwag kumagano dyan. Hindi ako nakita ng wolves! Kailangan ko yan.
Wala na. May pet pa naman ako.
Ano to?
Uy, kumain ka muna dito.
Blue
Pero
shop?
huwag mong ubusin ah.
Tin!
Magpuputol na ako ng puso.
Tin, ang dami oh! Tignan mo.
Ano? Ano gagawin?
Pwede tayo magbili dito.
Okay. Anong pakiramdam? Uy, kumain ka na eh.
Ay, wait
Meat
lang.
lang pa, kasi mas malakas yung meat.
Gusto ko yung Valentine's. Yung Valentine's Thank you. You know, I'm really hungry in real life too.
Ang sarap nga naman.
Hindi masarap yun. Dito, punta ko dito. Wala na! Record ka?
Yes, I'm recording. Yun, level 4. Be, malapit na yun, be. 2 round na lang. Bilisan mo na, be.
Bakit?
Ano na natin? Full na natin para wala na tayong intindihin yung crafting ano na lang. Ikaw na nga dyan.
Kailangan ko ng good axe. Oh, may basketball court to. Ba't ka nag-bling?
Ay, kapag magre-ring tayo, kapag
May nakita tayong chest.
hindi, kapag kapag may nakita tayo, kunwari, pag nagre-ring tayo, ibig sabihin nun, meron tayo.
Nandito pa pala yung kid. Nandito pa pala yung kid.
Hello, grabe ka naman sa kid.
Nandito.
Uy, B, iwanan ko lang dito yung bandage, ha.
Okay.
Para kung kailangan.
Kunin ko na. Chok lang.
Wag, baka ikaw yung mamatay, eh.
Oh, may basketball. Tsaka may chest. Susut ko yan. Isushoot ko yung basketball.
Wag! Ang dami naman nito. Ano sa buhay?
Nashoot ko.
Hindi, nagbabasketball siya. Ay, may chest pala.
Oh, Godax!
Well, good luck. Bilisan ko.
Ipapapayin ko na nga.
siya. Magbabasketball. Ayoko na.
Tara na nga.
At ikaw na lang.
Uy!
Bagay naman ako.
Yung ano. Ano na yan sa campfire yung volleyball. Ano nasa fire yung volleyball. Sorry, volleyball, you gonna go.
Back to campfire. Uy, B! Ikaw, pagtulungan na natin muna yung campfire, no?
Ito may nakita ko yung ano na natin yan. Ano na natin si Kraken Kid.
Bilisan mo. Huwag ka muna mag-kid kasi yung campfire nga, ni para ma-full.
Save ko na si Kraken Kid.
Punuin mo yung gold sacks mo ng
Di wala na mga small trees dito.
Meron na dami kaya nakablipot sa akin, no?
Siyempre, malayo ka eh.
Ano malayo, yung lapit ko lang dito sa campfire.
Ayaw nga, no?
So guys, nainis na kay Ellie kasi yung
Hoy, anong ginagawa ko?
ayaw niya makain.
Hoy!
Huwag kasi sigaw. It's a prank lang yun. Grabe naman itong sumigaw. Hi!
Di ako nakita ng wool.
Kaso yun.
Di ako nakita ng wool.
Kaso yun. We're purple.
3 more left to go.
Nadinig mo yun?
Yung,
Yung asa work daw.
ano?
Yung nag-work ako, tapos bigla nag-work.
Yung totoong aso?
Oo.
Ay, oo, ano? Narinig ko yun kanina eh.
Be.
Ayoko na nga.
Maglilib ka na?
Hindi.
Wala ko yung mga sasapakan ko pa.
So, Dora. Sino si... Wala si Maydora?
No. I said, ting, ting, ting. Hoy, bumulit ka na.
Isisave ko si, Kraken Kid.
Kaya mo naman.
Pag talaga ako namatay dito.
Walang pakalam. Hindi kita save.
Ay, joke lang. Ayoko na. Kala ko si Dear.
Pumunta ka na dun, sige.
May chest.
Sino man naman mapapahamak dun? Hindi naman.
Gutom na ako. Kain na ako.
Hindi, isa-isa lang. Baka pagkapunta dyan, isa na lang nakikita.
Ubusin ko talaga yan.
Ubusin.
Oo.
Pinaghirapan ka. Uy, magano ka naman kasi.
Ano ko naman kasi?
Patayin ko na.
Patayin ko na nga to.
Bye guys. Walang pakalam.
Wag!
Wala na. Ano gano'n kami? Ano kung Ellie?
Ha? Tignan nga natin.
May first time. Saan yun?
Ha?
Wala naman.
Kaya. Baka nasa mga pools. Di, wala naman eh. Di, wala naman yun.
nila yung campfire kasi kailangan natin na gano'n.
58. Wala, hindi ko nga talaga nakikita, te. Sisave ko na nga si Kraken Kid.
Save mo na siya?
Hmm.
Hintayin mo ko.
Wala na. Oh, nakita ko na!
Yan. Hintayin mo ko,
Ito, te, oh!
Ellie. Hintayin mo ko, Ellie.
Info. Ano to?
Saan ka, Ellie?
Pwede tayo chop-chop? Oh, pwede ko ma-chop-chop! Ano to? Meteor shard. Gold shard. Another meteor shard.
Saan ka, Ellie? Saan ka?
Another meteor shard! Oh, nandito na naman.
Wait lang.
Meron na naman dito.
Hinintay kita. Inano ko nga kita dito. Ano ba?
Ano mo kasi sa map?
Ano yung sinusunod mo? Bumalik ka nga dito. Ato, dito. Hintayin mo ako. May yan dito.
Ah! Sakpakin ko yan kung ano yun eh. Itong wolf na to, nakakasar! Catch me if you can, little pupu.
Ang dami nila.
Bakit? Yan, tapos patay.
Sige, kainin nyo ko. Kumukuha nyo ko.
Hindi pa natin nasisip si Kraken Kid.
Wait lang. Bumalik ka muna kasi sa ano.
May nakita na naman ako. Ay, cold chest, di ako nakita. Nakita ko yung ano, island. Kanino tong ano? Kraken? Unan, kay Kraken nga. Titi!
Maghintay ka dyan. Sino na? Nasa visa.
Namatay!
Bida-bida. Maghintay ka dyan. May ginagawa ako.
I've been waiting for 10 years.
10 years with me. Wala pang 1 day.
10 years na talaga. Di mo pa ako nasiyan. Oh, aray ko.
Bay, malapit ako mamatay ko.
Mamatay ka na.
Uy, Curtis.
Sakit. Oh, ayoko na. Sige na nga. Aray ko.
Ano kasi?
Wait lang. Kakain ako.
Ano ka kayo? Kombi. Oo. Ako hanap ng ano ah.